Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Classic 1995 Patches the brown and white dog, or maybe tan, dog plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's the bottom of him. Here's the top. Here's this side. Here's the tag. Here's his little face. The ears. The tush tag. The back of the tush tag reads, Tie Ink Copyright 1995 PVC pellets. There's the paws underneath. There's a little tail. There's the fur. This side. Other side. The nose is made out of plastics, including the eyes. Yeah, the eyes are made out of plastic. And spot. And there's the little patch. I think that's why they call him Patch, because there's a little patch right there on his eye. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Classic 1995 Patches the Dog Plush. Alright guys, bye.